Hi, I'm Shane. This is Strike Visuals, and today we are talking about the SEG counter made from PVC. Your SEG counter will come in a roller bag. Once you open that up, you will have the counter on top. And if you pick that up, you will have all your PVC pieces underneath that will build the frame. So once you have all the pieces laid out on the floor, you will take the counter and flip that over. And then you'll go ahead and put these 90-degree connectors in both sides. We're going to do that first just because it's a little harder later on. So we're going to do that first. Next, you'll go ahead and take the feet out and then just go ahead and space those apart. Take number 1 and go ahead and connect that into one foot. And number 2 on the other side, go ahead and connect that in the other foot. We'll go ahead and put this bottom light bar in now, and we'll line up 1 to 1 on one side and 2 to 2 on the other. Go ahead and clip those into place. Connect the electrical. Once you're done there, go ahead and let's put that countertop on top now. Go ahead and clip those into place. Double check to make sure all your connectors are connected in each corner for electrical. And then once you're done with that, we're going to go ahead and connect the main power source through the bottom by the feet, and then connect it female to male, and then go ahead and plug that in the wall. So once you have your frame built, we're going to go ahead and put on the SEG graphic, or the SEG. What that stands for is silicone edge graphic. It's a silicone edge sewed around your graphic, and what that's going to do is that's going to help fit it in the channel along the whole frame, along the whole outside of the frame. When I start putting these in, I start from either corner, and I go ahead and put a little bit of the top in, then I go ahead and put a little bit of the side in, and then just run my thumb along the graphic edge there, and it should pull right into place. When you have the top and sides into place, when you're on the bottom, you're going to go ahead and start in the center and work your way to the outside. And there you have your SEG counter. You can go ahead and plug that in, and you should have power